Math 3, your final benchmark, number 20. A new ice cream shop is trying to determine its hours of operation. The shop opens for one day to determine the most popular times for business and records the number of ice cream cones sold each hour. All right, so here we've got hour and we've got number sold. And it says, during which period do the ice cream cone sale increase the fastest? So if we go from hour 1 to hour 2, it looks like we increase by 34. From 2 to 3, it looks like we decrease by 35. 26 to 25, decrease of 1. 25 to 40, that's a plus 15. That's an increase of 15. And here's an increase of 4. So this just basically is about reading the chart. So it says, during which period do the ice cream cones increase the fastest? From hours 1 to 2, they increase by 34. So that would be the time when they increased the fastest. So the question number 20, the answer is A.